Unlocking the world of cryptocurrency with just $10 is more achievable than you think. And today, we're diving into how to do it on Kraken. Kraken is a fantastic platform for beginners, and you can absolutely start your crypto journey with a small investment like $10. The key strategy when starting with a small amount is to focus on selecting low-priced assets. Think of cryptocurrencies that trade for pennies or a few dollars per coin. These offer the potential for higher percentage gains with your initial investment, even if the dollar amount seems small. However, with small investments, risk management is paramount. Never invest more than you can afford to lose for a $10 investment. This means understanding that gains will also be small, and focusing on learning the market rather than expecting massive profits overnight. Understanding fractional ownership is crucial. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin or Ethereum. Kraken allows you to buy portions, or fractions, of these digital assets. So, your $10 can buy you a significant fraction of a lower-priced coin. Here's how to get started. First, create your Kraken account and complete the verification process. Next, deposit your $10. Kraken supports various deposit methods. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. Once your funds are in, navigate to the spot trading section here. You'll see a vast list of available cryptocurrencies. Use the search function to find those attractive low-priced assets. We talked about look for coins with a stable trading history or strong project fundamentals. Now, it's time to place your buy order. Select the cryptocurrency and enter your $10 as the amount you want to invest. Double-check the details before confirming your purchase. Congratulations! You've just taken your first step into crypto trading with Kraken and a small investment. Remember to keep learning, stay disciplined with your risk management, and enjoy your crypto journey.